guys, my name is Ida Tegar Pratama with NPM G1D020023. I will presentation paper titled The News Driver. A four-lane street narrowed to accommodate workers firing alerts, pothole and working holds a stop sign loosely in the left hand as a west car through with his right. Human drivers don't think twice about their to follow the gesture or the sight. They move smoothly forward without stopping. This situation, however, would likely stop an autonomous ways its track. It would understand the stop sign and know the reds, but that hand gesture that a lot more complete. And drivers, human and computer daily face this and far more complex situation in which reading body language is the key. Consider a city street corner, a pedestrian poised to cross with the light stop to check her phone and waves a right turning car forward. Another pedestrian lifts a hand up to wave to a friend across the way, but keep moving. A human driver can decode this gesture with a glance, navigating such challenge safely and seamlessly without interrupting the flow of traffic requires that autonomous vehicles understand the common hand motion used the good human driver truck use exit situation along with the gesture or body language of the pedestrians going about their business. There are signal and human reach too without much talk, but they present a challenge for a computer system that style learning about the world around it. Autonomous vehicle developers around the world have been working for several years to teach self-driving cars to understand at least some basic hand gestures, intelligently focusing on signal from stylists. Generally, developers rely on machine learning to improve West's ability to identify real-world situations and understand how to deal with them. At Cruise, we gather that data from our fleet of more than 200 self-driving cars. These vehicles have logged hundreds to thousands of miles every year for the past 7 years. Before the pandemic hit, they were on to road around the block, taking breaks only to recharging. Our cars are all electric and from regular maintenance. Our cars are learning fast because they are navigating an highway street of San Francisco and of the most expensive driving environment in the United States. But we realized that our machine learning models don't always have enough training data because our cars don't experience important gestures in the real world often enough. Our vehicles need to recognize each of the situation from different angles, understand and under different lighting conditions, a combination of constraints that produce a huge number of possibilities. It would take us years to gain enough information on the test even if we release only on real-world experience of the vehicles. Threat character. Cruise has been hiring game developers, including me, from experience in simulating detailed worlds, and some of the tools on the challenge of capturing data to use in teaching our vehicles to understand gesture. First, our data college team set out to build a comprehensive list on the way people use their bodies in contact with the world and with other people when healing a text. say walking on the pond while walking off, stepping into the street to dodge sidewalk contortion. We started with movement that anonymous, which make me gone through as other men for itself. For example, that predation waving to a friend. We then move to other gesture made in close proximity to the facial but not direct at it, such as picking attendant, moving cars in the lane next to the fields, into the garage, and construction workers holding up a sign asking cars to stop temporarily. Ultimately, we came up with intelligent list of 5 case messages that are communication using gesture, stop, go, turn left, turn right, and what we call no. This is common motion that are relevant to passing cars, like shooting safely or moving a backpack. We use generally accepted American from the gesture, assuming that car will be driving on the right because we're testing in San Francisco. Of course, the gesture people use send test message aren't uniform, so we know from the begin that our data set will have to contain a lot more than just 5 examples. Just for many, we weren't sure. Creating the dataset required the use motion caption technology. There are types of mocap system, optional and pneumatical. The option version of mocap use cameras distribution overlays this like through that surround. String the video stream from the camera can be used to triangulate the 3D position of visual markers on full body suit worn by an actor. There are several fashion and systems that can produce extreme dilated pictures, including those of facial expression that allow movie actor to portray non-human character, as in 2009 movie Avatar, and let the gaming industry record and movement of at least for the development of the sport themed video games. Optical motion capture, however, must be performed in a studio setting with a complex multi-camera setup. So cross selection a non-axial sensor-based version of motion capture instead. This technology, which relies on micro-electromechanical system (MEMS), is portable, wireless, and thus requires dedicated studio plates that give a lot of flexibility and allow us to take it out to the studio and into the real world location. Our mocap switch is introduced 19 sensor package attacked at key points of the body, including the head and chest, and its hip, shoulder, upper arm, forearm, and leg. Each basket is about the size of a silver dollar and contains an accelerometer, a gyroscope, and a magnetometer. These are worth a belt containing a battery pack, a control bus, and a Wi-Fi radio. The sensor data flow wireless to a laptop running dedicated software, with let our engineers view and evaluate the data in the real time. From there, the actor one gesture after another, moving through the list of gesture or theme and creates from our real world data. Over the course of 7 days, we had there 5 actors run through this gesture set again and again. Then our engineer prepared and data to be fed into machine learning models. We created even more variants by randomly dropping various points of the body to simulate it to real-world skin in which something is hiding. When our cars are training on the mentioned capture data, they will be better equipped to navigate various scenarios and city driving present. Take for example a situation is which 3 red workers and blocking in the lane that a live driver planned night to take. Sick but read slow. In another situation are faceless with real list and someone entering in interaction and ignoring the flashing. Don't walk sick in fetch direct traffic. Training or self-driving cars to understand gesture in only beginning test system must be able to direct more than just the basic movement a person. This is important because a human passing a bicycle usually behaves differently from human riding a bicycle. Self-driving car will change in way we live our life in years to come. 3 ways to hack a printer circuit board. In 2018, an article is Bloomberg Business Week made in stupendous assertion that Chinese spy service hacked created backdoor to several boards for Amazon, Apple, and others by interesting millimeter-sized chip into circuit board. This claim has been wrongly and specifically uttered by companies involved and by the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. We know much about malware and counterfeit GIS, but the vulnerabilities of the printed circuit board itself are only now starting to get the attention they deserve. In order to understand how a circuit board can be hacked, it's worth reviewing how they are made. PCB designing start by creating two electronic documents, a schematic and a layout. Next, take the layout, the basement, finishment, bare board, and located object, the board, including block, complement, and their labels. Not all of PCB is taken up by component. Most boards include empty component footstrip, challenge upload component. Once the schematic and layout have been sketched and layout converted to a set of files. Next, pick and place my Chinese path surface mode component where they belong and the board and the PCB base drop and often that melt the solder and once intricate work and 8-bit resistor network can just 2 mm by 1 3 mm and some component foot strip and a small 0.25 mm by 0.13 mm. The board are then inspected, tested, prepared as 5 tempting target. 1. Small component. 2. Power controller. 3. Low pin both bus. 4. BIOS, flash memory, 5 Super E or O chips. Attack can be made at every one of their design steps. In the first type of attack, extra component add to schematic. A variant of them involves adding an inconus component to the schematic and using malignancy altered variants of the component in production. In a second type of attack, extra component can be added to the layout. In a third type of attack, the Gerber and drill files can be altered. If bad actor success and one of the three attack, they can add actual physical component the assemble circuit board. First, the extra component can be added in production. Second, the extra component can be added in the repair and reward area much easier target than production. It's common for assemble circuit board and require working by hand. For example, on a board with 2000 components, the first pass yet the fraction of board with 0 defect may be below 70%. Third, a component can be added by hand to a board after production in a warehouse. For instance, knowing how to sabotage a PCB is only half the job. Attackers also have to know what the base targets are on the computer motherboard. First, the system management bus will control the voltage regulator and clock frequency on most PC motherboard. The second target is the serial peripheral interface bus, a 4-wire bus created by Motorola in the mid-1980. The third target is the LPC, low pin count bus, and it's particularly effective because an attack can compromise the operation of the computer, provide remote access to the power and other vital control functions, and promise the security of the boot process. Many motherboards also use the LPC bus to access hardware, implementing the Trusted Love module. In the first round, check in board for component loss, a reference indicator. In the second round of check, make sure that every reference designator is found in the schematic layout and bill of materials. In a third round, focus the shape, size of component footstrips. The fourth round of check should examine all populated part of the board. As you can see, modern motherboard with their thousands of sometimes mother-sized components. As with malware, heightened sensitive and issue, the planet security can attack unlike and unsuccessful.